8963. The rotor in an Autosyn remote indicating system is A. An electromagnet. B. A permanent magnet. C. Neither an electromagnet nor a permanent magnet. The correct answer is A. The Autosyn remote indicating system does not use an electromagnet as its rotor. It uses a rotor with a set of windings that are physically connected to the indicator being controlled. The rotor windings are typically excited with AC voltage, and the position of the rotor is determined by the magnitude and phase of the AC current flowing through the windings. This position information is then transmitted to the indicator, which displays the corresponding position. The system is often used for remote indication of various parameters such as valve position, throttle position, or rudder angle in aircraft and other control systems. 8964. The basic difference between an Autosyn and a Magnesyn indicating system is the A. Rotor. B. Transmitter. C. Receiver. The correct answer is A. In both Autosyn and Magnesyn systems, the purpose is to transmit and indicate the position or measurement of a remote device. However, the key distinction lies in the type of rotor used in each system. In an Autosyn system, the rotor is a permanent magnet. It interacts with the stator windings to produce rotation proportional to the input signals. In contrast, a Magnesyn system uses an electromagnet as the rotor. The rotor is energized by electrical current, creating a magnetic field that interacts with the stator windings and produces the desired indication. 8965. The rotor in a Magnesyn remote indicating system is A. Permanent magnet. B. An electromagnet. C. An electromagnet and a permanent magnet. The correct answer is A. When installing a surface-bonded deicer boot on an aircraft wing, it is crucial to ensure proper adhesion between the boot and the wing surface. One important step in the installation process is to remove all paint from the area where the boot will be bonded. The metal surface must be thoroughly cleaned to remove any contaminants or residues that could interfere with the bonding process. 8966. Microswitches are used primarily as limit switches to A. Limit generator output. B. Control electrical units automatically. C. Prevent overcharging of a battery. The correct answer is B. Microswitches are small, sensitive switches that are commonly used as limit switches in various applications. They are designed to respond to physical contact or mechanical movement, activating or deactivating electrical circuits based on predetermined limits or positions. They are often used to control the operation of electrical units, such as turning them on or off when certain conditions are met. 8967. Which of the following are some uses for a DC Selsyn system? A. Indicate the position of retractable landing gear, cowl flaps position, cooler door position, fuel quantity, and position of wing flaps. B. Indicate the position of retractable landing gear, angle of incidence, and altitude. C. Indicate the fuel quantity, rate of climb, and position of wing flaps. The correct answer is A. A DC Selsyn system, also known as a synchro system, is commonly used in aviation for remote indication of various parameters. It utilizes a network of electrical devices called Selsyns or synchros, which are essentially motor-driven rotary transformers. These devices can accurately transmit position or angular information from one location to another. In the context of the options provided, a DC Selsyn system can be used to indicate the position of retractable landing gear, cowl flaps position, cooler door position, fuel quantity, and position of wing flaps. By coupling the respective mechanical components with Selsyns, the electrical signals can be transmitted and displayed at a remote location, providing the operator with information about the status or position of these systems. 8968. 1. A DC Selsyn system is a widely used electrical method of indicating a remote mechanical movement or position. 2. A synchro-type indicating system is an electrical system used for transmitting information from one point to another. Regarding the above statements, A. Only 1 is true. B. Only 2 is true. C. Both 1 and 2 are true. The correct answer is C. Statement 1. A DC Selsyn system is a widely used electrical method of indicating a remote mechanical movement or position. This statement is true. A DC Selsyn system, also known as a synchro system, is commonly used in various applications, including aviation, to transmit and indicate the position or movement of mechanical components from a remote location. Statement 2. A synchro-type indicating system is an electrical system used for transmitting information from one point to another. This statement is also true. Synchro systems, including DC Selsyn systems, are indeed electrical systems designed to transmit information or signals, such as position or angular data, from one point to another. They utilize the principle of electromechanical synchronization to accurately transfer the information.